What's going on? It's your girl Tina, and I am back with another video for you all today. So, as you all can tell by the title, I'm going to be sharing some ways that vegans or different foods that vegans eat to get their sources of protein. Because I know a lot of times when people are looking into becoming vegans, that is their concern. They're concerned about where their sources of protein are going to, where they're going to get their protein from. So I'm just going to share this information with you all and just also give you some helpful tips on what to look for when you're going into the grocery stores and picking your items that you want to incorporate into your diet. So the first piece of advice that I would give if you're wanting to be a vegan is you have to be open to trying new things, because a lot of the things or a lot of the foods that vegans get their sources of protein from and other sources of nutrients, they're oftentimes not foods that we're used to eating, because we're so used to fast food. We're so used to the McDonald's and the Burger Kings and the Taco Bell. So we're just not really used to eating a lot of beans and peas. Um, some other sources of protein are like nuts and seeds. You also have your dark and leafy greens, and then even soy milk is also a great source of protein for vegans. We also want to keep in mind too that you have to be creative and colorful when you're going into the grocery stores and you're shopping for your items. I would suggest starting in the produce section, because that is where you're going to get the nutrients that you need. So you're wanting to go and you're going to get your leafy greens there, your kale and your spinach. You also want to You also can get your oranges, your apples, your grapes, your bell peppers, your mushrooms, your potatoes. All of these things in the produce section. That is a great place in the grocery store to start when you're looking into becoming a vegan. Um, if you are Once you get past that produce section and you're going into the different aisles and you're looking for other ingredients, you want to make sure that you are looking at the back of the packaging and reading what is included in the ingredients of the product that you're going to purchase. So if you look on the back of the packaging and the ingredients contain milk, eggs, and cheese, that is not a vegan product. So you want to put that back on the shelf, because all of those products, the eggs, the milk, and the cheese, those ingredients come from, or those foods come from cows. So, of course, cows are an animal, and vegans, we stay away from animal products. Okay, so that is a good suggestion as well. Once you are going into the grocery stores and you get past that produce section, even some of the things in the produce section, you also want to check the back of the labels for as well. Also, there in the frozen section, I get some things from the frozen section as well when I go shopping. And you, like I said again, you want to make sure you're reading the back of the labels to make sure that it doesn't contain any animal products. So, a lot of grocery stores are starting to do a good job of offering more vegan alternatives, meat alternatives, that is. Like the Beyond Meat products is a great alternative to eating meat. All right, you guys. But yes, you want to just, like I said, you want to be open, creative, and colorful when you're going into the grocery stores. And you want to make sure you do some research before you're going into the grocery stores, so that your shopping trip does not become longer than what it should be. So that's what I like to do. I like to research and just see what types of foods that I want to get before going into the store. So that way I'm not spending 2 and 3 hours in the stores reading the back of the labels. All right, so that's just a little helpful information for you all for right now. But of course, I want to come back and I want to give you all some more information as well. All right, and I also want to let you all know that I'm not a nutritionist. I am not a dietitian at all, but I love to do my own independent research on health topics as well as spirituality and all of that. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button if this video resonated with you today, and share this video as well for others that may be looking into becoming a vegan, but they're just not sure of where to start as far as their diet is concerned. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and end it now because I can talk and talk and talk. All right, so until the next video, if it ain't excellent, it's irrelevant. Until next time.